Unfortunately, I've been a little too excited about that long shadow script. Sorry for that. So, how can we fix it? First, let's take a look at the issue. So the issue is if you have something round and then apply that long shadow script, then you see the roundness gets lost. So you're fine to use it on corners and stuff, but if you have something round, then it will fail. And you see it takes those points and then just uses those points. So we need to find a way to get the correct points there. This gets slightly relieved when we have some more anchors along the shape. Let's first introduce them, object, path, and then we can add anchor points. And now you see there are more anchor points, and one is also here, which is important. So let's apply that script like so. Okay. So the next thing is we need to, of course, fix the shadow, which can be done by just taking the shape, copying it, and we need to align those points. So let's see where they are. You see, there they are. So when selecting it, we need to match that, which is like here, and then move that over here, and that is a match. And now what we can do is select all of these, use the Pathfinder, unite that, and then we have a nice shadow. So that would be the way, and this can also be applied to text, of course. And to be even more clean, what we can do is first make a copy here. So just edit copy and then add the points. So add some anchor points and let's see, well, that should be sufficient. And let's use the script like so. And now we can use the copy we've made. So edit, paste in front so that the one with the many anchor points gets replaced, because fewer is always better. And then we can also take this, of course, move it here, match it. And again, we can use one of those prominent anchor points. Let's turn on the smart guides for that. And then you see there's an anchor. Match that over there. And then, of course, unite all this stuff like so. And let's go to Pathfinder, just unite this. And you see the copy is still there. This only needs to be moved to the back. Let's send this to the back and exchange the color here like so. And then we have this nice shadow. So this is how you can use the script anyway. It's just slightly more work, but still less work than cleaning up the stair steps along edges.